Have a look at these brand new retractable sunshades for the roof of your Tesla Model 3 or even your Tesla Model Y. This is the first sunroof shade that I have seen that easily pulls out to cover the majority of your panoramic sunroof. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, welcome. Consider subscribing to the channel to see new Tesla products like this. I realize this may not be for everyone, but again, I showcase all kinds of different products that work for your Tesla that may fit your lifestyle. I'm going to show you how to install both of these retractable sunshades, as it's quite easy to install and place on your sunroof. Looking at the contents of the box, we can see it comes with two separate retractable shades, one for the front and one for the rear. These are both spring loaded. As you can see, when I pull on the handle, the shade will auto retract back to the rod. The kit also comes with extra 3M adhesive material should you need them, and also 4 attachment clips needed to hold the shade when fully retracted. The two larger clips are for the rear window, while the smaller clips are for the front. Should you purchase this for the Model Y, I believe there are 2 different clips due to the larger sunroof than the Model 3. Finally, the box comes with 2 alcohol wipes to remove any imperfections before adhering the 3M adhesive to the glass. Comparing the two shades, you'll notice that one has a longer placement arm on both ends, while the other shade has a shorter arm for both ends. The sunshade with the longer arms will be installed in the front sunroof panel, and the other shade will be placed in the rear window. Sitting in the seat back, take one of your alcohol wipes and clean either end of the sunroof to ensure proper adhesion on the window. Before removing the 3M adhesive backing, first get an idea of how this will be installed and where it is placed. The brackets on both ends of the first shade will slide in between the fabric panel and the sunroof of your Tesla Model 3. After finding the correct placement, remove both plastic backings to expose the sticky side of the 3M adhesion. Take both ends and align the rod with the center of the sunroof and push upward, confirming the sticky side will affix to the window. Putting slight pressure on both ends for a few seconds will ensure no movement of the shade. You should be able to pull on the handle and retract the shade with no movement of the center rod in your sunroof. A big shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Exter. Exter is the world's largest smart wallet brand that designs innovative solutions to improve the way you carry your everyday items. I just got this Parliament wallet, which holds a variety of credit cards along with my Tesla key. Made from premium leather, this slim storage and quick card access feature makes finding your payment method a breeze. Just push one button and all of your cards will appear. Now, I was quite worried that all of my cards would fall out of the wallet, but it did a great job of keeping them intact. This also has built-in RFID blocking technology to prevent card skimming, and if you lose your wallet, you can just add this solar powered tracker to locate it by using their app. This two-way solar powered ringing feature tracks your wallet on a map with one click of a button. A simple 3-hour solar charge in the sunlight will last over 2 months. If you're looking for something even more durable, this aluminum card holder offers an even more slim profile that can hold between 1 and 15 cards. The color you see here is classic camo, but there are so many other colors to choose from. Check out all of Exter's very high-end products in the link below this video today. Let's get back to it. Now take your alcohol wipe again and clean the corner areas right above the sun visor where the fabric panel curves. Find the 2 smaller clips and affix one of them between the fabric panel and the sunroof. You do not want to expose the adhesive sticky side on these clips just yet, as we need to find the perfect placement on both ends. I found it best to have both bracket clips placed right above the curve of the fabric panel. Be sure to retract the sunshade and align the rod with the clip holders on both ends. You may need to adjust the holder clips as you see here before you find the ideal position. Once you know everything is well aligned with the shade, I would recommend placing some painter's tape right above the clip, so now we can expose the sticky side of the 3M tape and install it in your marked position. Repeat the same process on the driver's side too. After install, we can now pull on the handle of the shade and clip both ends of the rod over the brackets we just installed. Installing the rear shade follows a similar process as the front sunroof shade. Again, we need to wipe down the corners of the rear sunroof to promote adhesion of the 3M tape. Also wipe down the window area that is directly above the pillar in the Model 3, and repeat this on the other side too. Take the final shade with the shorter arms and place it between the fabric pillar and the sunroof. After finding your ideal position, remove both ends to present the sticky side of the 3M tape. Align the rod center with the fabric pillar and rear sunroof and push upward to adhere towards the window. Take the last two metal clips and place them on both directly above the black pillar of the Model 3. Again, do not remove the sticky side just yet until you know where the retractable shade will align. It took me a couple tries to see where the clips should be installed before I finally placed them on the window. Once you have your preferred placement, use some painter's tape again to mark your spot on the clip, and finally remove and expose the sticky side to place it on the rear window. And that's it, we just installed our retractable Tesla sunroof shade, and now we can see how much easier it is to quickly retract and attach to those clips for those hot summer days, or fully remove and allow the sun to shine through. While it may not be a perfect 100% coverage of the sunroof, it still blocks out most of the sun rays to help keep your cabin cooler when driving or even parked. The main purpose of these again is to provide easement to quickly block out or let in sun rays. There are many sunshades for both the Tesla Model 3 and Model Y that do completely block out 100% of the sun from coming in the cabin. However, just note it does take more time to install these and remove these larger shades. If you're looking for 100% sunroof coverage, then you may want to check out the other shades I have linked in this video. I understand this may not be for everyone, but for me personally, I really like these just because it's so easy to use. If you want to see even more accessories for your Tesla, be sure to check out my new website at evanmichaels.com, where you can see every product from all my YouTube videos on one simple page. As always, if you have any questions about this retractable sunshade, be sure to leave a comment below and I'll get back to you. Again, my name is Evan. Until the next video, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.